Soccer Schools in collaboration with the Village Panchayat of Kandolim and Honorable Minister Mr. Michael Lobo. It is a well-known fact that Kandolim village had been the great lovers of football, and Kandolim in yesteryears have produced quality players. But in the recent past, there have been no proper roadmap and right guidance to the young generation of talented footballers. Right from my childhood, I have been observing that there were no adequate training programs as how they will have in international football setups. As a professional footballer, played all over the country, I always believed since Kandolim has the required facilities and lovely people to support this beautiful game and this structure in which our kids could be exposed to modern training facilities, advanced long-term coaching programs which will enable them to become players of international standard. Taking the above views in mind, I ventured and took a substantial step to start this innovative concept of Super 30 Soccer Schools. It is one day that early morning I woke up and I just went to Sir Michael Lobo's office. And I had to wait for some time, I know, but then I went and met Mr. Sir Michael Lobo. And I just introduced myself and I put this project in front of him. And it was the utmost shock for me, and it was a great motivation for me that when I just explained this project to him, and he said, Ricardo, I've seen this in foreign academies. I've traveled to foreign places and I've seen this thing over there. And his vision was so good, I tell you, that at that very minute, he called up Sir Blaise Fernandes and he told him, I'm sending Ricardo there, and this project should start as soon as possible. So I want you to clap your hands for Sir Michael Lobo here.
Go a long way even to collaborate with the foreign football clubs to provide absolutely modern technique and tactics by the foreign coaches in future to Kandolim players. Mr. Michael Lobo, the Honorable Minister and our beloved MLA, was instrumental in bringing the Super 30 Soccer School at Kandoni. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
I also played football, but we did not have good grounds like this. So today we have good grounds thanks to Village Panchayat of Kandolim, Blaise and the entire team who have done this ground. They have worked very tirelessly to see that you get good ground, to see that you get a changing room facility, toilets, to see that you grow. They have taken this initiative under Panchayat funds to give you good coaching. Ricardo and his team is going to give you good coaching. Whatever is required to promote football at this age, at this small age. Because if you see international, one day you will go international. You'll go to Spain, you'll go to Italy, you'll go to London. You will see over there, Australia. You will see over there how in football and cricket they take boys and girls who are just 3 to 4 years old. Kandolim should go up. Make sure that one fine day, the dream what you are dreaming today of getting into a good team comes true. Then automatically you will go ahead, your name will shine, you will become very famous, and you will be a good football player of Goa, of India. I want to thank the Village Panchayat of Kandolim who are present over here. All the other dignitaries who are present, especially जे आदले फुटबॉलर आहा हिंगा नावा सगळ्यांची घेयना, देवानंद आनी कोण गेलो, श्रीकांत, एलिकूय आहा, the lovers of football. And I want you all to help not only these boys. There are a lot of coaching guys over here. There are a lot of ex-footballers over here. Kalangut also has a nice ground. We are building a ground at Parra. We are building, in process to build a ground at Nagwa Arpora.
कितेंच काम करतलोय, कसलेंच काम करतलोय जाल्यार तुका ट्रेनिंग म्हणटा तें जाया पडटा. ट्रेनिंग ना जाल्यार यू डू एनी हाव. सो सारकें सिस्टमॅटीक करतलोय जाल्यार ट्रेनिंग जाय पडटा. म्हाका उगड आसा, आमी खावताले एका तेंपार. आमी खावताले शेतान, शेंकारांचेर आमकां मेव वता ते सुवातेर आमी खावताले, ते जाल्यार बुश्ट्या पांयांनी खावताले. स्टॅमिना आसली, सगळें आसलें, पूण नको आसलें गेम ती. जेन्ना आमी कोचिंग कॅम्प अटेंड केले, म्हाका उगड आसा आमचो बाब योजन कार्दोस, तोय आमचो कोच, ताणेंय आमकां शिकयलें जायते फुटबॉल.